split, huh?
Okay, you go. Go ahead and eat it. Jesse's gonna eat a dog biscuit.
Half of a dog biscuit because the dog has the other half.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna eat it all.
He Jesse has the bigger half.
Real talk.
He ripped off my dog.
Wait, do I eat the whole thing?
If you want to eat the whole thing. I guess if it tastes good, you can eat the whole thing. Gotta hear that crunch? I hope they can hear the crunch. It tastes like anything. Do you know it's dog food?
Huh?
Can you tell it's dog food?
Not really.
Like if that was like in a box of cereal.
Oh, when I swallow it, I could.
There's a reason why we haven't spoken in 32 years. We have nothing in common. Me? Of course.
You want to eat some?
No.
It's nasty. It don't taste like nothing, but I don't know.
But it tastes nasty?
No, it don't taste like nothing.
It's been a long time. Maybe she lost her memory and she will recognize me.
I'm scared.
We're in the right place. Let me go ahead and take myself out of the line of fire for this one, guys. Mom?
You really eat a dog biscuit right now?
Swallow it. I took 2 bites.
Oh. You see? One syllable. Knife in the body. Oh, no. And she can do that.
Yes, and I can also track the whereabouts of my toothbrush.
I was not the one that left the
It tastes like
in Marrakesh. I stole them both in the
some wheat cereal or something.
I don't know. It tastes like
Dry.
crack. It tastes like
Dry
crackers with no
cereal.
salt on it.
Let's make Johnny eat some.
Coco!
Who was in charge of packing the luggage?
I could not get the travel case into the luggage because it was full with that stupid...
I wonder what's in these. They're healthy biscuits.
At least they want like something with like salt on them that like taste all nasty. I would have probably thrown up.
Johnny!
Look at this. It's very interesting. You think it might be Olmec.
Johnny!
Alina texted me.
We were hoping that you could translate it.
Yes, of course you were.
Johnny! I like how I'm just eating this like it's candy.
Involve another treasure hunt, doesn't it?
Mom, this is actually very important.
All right. I'll do that here. This
Here goes the deal.
I'm
She bad and baby she
Just stop
won't.
recording. We'll record him on a different one. Bye. Yummy. I think I would have ate more.
Dog biscuits.
Biscuits.
Biscuits.